In today's video, I want to provide you an online calculator that helped me go from looking like this to looking like this. It's helped people in our transformation challenge go from looking like this to looking like this. And I'm going to help you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to apply it to set up the perfect diet for you. All right, guys, so the goal right now, I want to show you guys what happens when you put it all in here. 47, that makes me feel old. Male, imperial, 6'3", weight, today I was 205. Now these formulas are described. Athlete, best for lean. Lean, best if you're overweight. I'm definitely lean, so we're gonna do the athlete's formula. I'm definitely not sedentary. I'd say I'm more light activity. I get up and do cardio in the morning, then I sit a lot, then I go to the gym, and then I might play with my kids later. Active, it says it's more about someone who's like a waitress or a mailman who's spending a lot of time on their feet already. That's not me, okay? Days of week that I exercise, 5, and I exercise for 90 minutes a day. 30 minutes steady state cardio when I'm maintaining, 5 days in the week crushing the gym. So I'm gonna put it as difficult. Intense, I would say is like more like a CrossFit workout, like right where you can't breathe, that high intensity. I'm gonna say my workouts are good, my cardio is good, but it's not intense. There might be moments where it's intense, but be honest with yourselves when you're answering these questions, okay? Now, my maintenance calories are at 3,008, perfect. I am going to focus on maintenance. Click on maintenance there. We're good to go there. Now, for the nutrition plan, how are we gonna set this up? Balanced, recommended. I'm gonna go with the recommendation, okay? I'm gonna trust the calculator that we built to provide some good insight. Protein. Now, it says a gram per pound of body weight, which it's fine with me. I'm 205, I'm very lean. If you're leaner, I'd say protein could be a gram or higher per pound. Obviously for kilos, you gotta adjust that. But let's say you're kind of overweight, I would choose the custom 0.8, or I would just make sure you set your protein at about your goal weight. That's always a good way to do it. Fat, 0.4 grams per pound of body weight, great. You could always go a little bit lower, but let's see what it prescribes for us. It has us at 205 protein, 82 fat, and 360 carbs. I like it. So now I'm gonna show you how I go into my nutrition app and set up the meals based on these macros that are given. I'm also gonna break it up into 4 meals per day. I like 4 meals. So that means I'm gonna get about 50 grams of protein, 90 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat per meal, but we can also, instead of having just 4 meals, we could also have a couple snacks in there if we prefer. So let's focus on the goals and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so after using the app on ProPhysique and after using Nutritionix to set up a meal plan, I've got my whole day set up for tomorrow. Very simple. So we're gonna start with meal 1. I've got my core vegan protein powder. I'm gonna have 2 Pop-Tarts, an apple, and an ounce of cashews. For meal 2 and 3, I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna use 6 ounces of chicken, and each one is gonna come with 2 things of rice. Now that's gonna be kind of a pre-workout meal. It's gonna be easy to digest. It's gonna be easy to eat when I'm in the middle of the day and I don't really have time to think. So that'll be meal 2 and 3. Then I went ahead and cooked some steak. So what I'll do is I'll bring the steak downstairs. I'll bring the steak to the plate. I'll cut it, weigh it out appropriately, and then I have it planned for 6 ounces of this, and then I have the potatoes set for the last meal. So that'll be the full day of eating at 3,005 calories, guys. And it's simple. We're gonna see how this goes. I want you guys to follow along. All right, guys, well, it's morning. My videographer's not awake yet, but I wanna show you guys full day of eating what I do. So I just keep it really simple for breakfast. I love my vegan protein, so I'm just gonna put a couple scoops in the water here. That's it. I'm gonna shake this up, drink it, and then I'm gonna show you my morning treat. All right, so for carbs in the morning, now I usually work out early, like 10, 11 a.m. So I like to get a lot of carbs in the morning, usually around 100. So what I'll typically do is I'll grab some Pop-Tarts. Now Pop-Tarts are about usually 70 carbs, 8 to 10 fat for 2 Pop-Tarts. Great way to get carbs, and it fits my macros really well. And actually I look forward to that. And I'll also add either a banana or maybe an apple, just depending on what I have available, for a little bit of fiber and to get that, basically that 100 carb mark early in the day so I can really have a solid workout. All right, guys, so you followed along a full day of eating for me in what is considered maintenance calories. I'm gonna do this for an entire week, see how I progress. Then we're gonna set up a fat loss diet. I'm gonna show you what the calculator tells me to do. I'm gonna set up my meals, and then I'm gonna focus on losing a few pounds of body fat, maybe getting a little shreddy. And I'm gonna take you guys along for it because I wanna show you how simple it is to take some data, apply it to yourself, and get the results that you've been after. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.